Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm very excited to record this video for you because I managed to get two of my most favorite items. I was on a hunt for such a long time and I managed to get them. One item is from the Cruise 2019 collection, which was part of the sale that took place recently, and I managed to get my dream jacket. So let me show you these items. I'm so excited. By the way guys, if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell button so you will get notified every time I upload a new video. Please also consider checking out my playlist. I posted a few videos about luxury shopping, Chanel bags, jewelry, beauty products, weekly vlogs, travel vlogs, as well as style and fashion, and I have a few Dior videos. And please also consider checking out my Instagram. My account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. So let's begin. Actually, I hardly ever post unboxings of ready-to-wear, but because we have been in a lockdown and I wasn't able to shop, I wanted to share with you what I got. I couldn't film the shopping vlog because all the items were actually delivered to me. I haven't tried any of this and I really hope that they fit, but Chanel can always alter it for me, so it shouldn't be a problem. This is the receipt that I got with the items and I will not open it, but here are the items. Let me show you everything. I was so happy when my SA texted me and she said that both of these are available in my size. I actually wanted to get the first item, this one, since the last year. I featured this jacket in one of my shopping vlogs when I went and tried it on, and they only had it in a size 38. I will link down that video in the description box below for you guys in case you want to check it out. I actually was on a waiting list for this jacket for a few months, and at this point actually I didn't think they're gonna come back in the store, but I'm so happy that they have my size. And by the way, it seems like this exact jacket is gonna be part of the Cruise 2021 collection. The design just looks very similar, the buttons, the color. And this jacket is part of the pre-spring collection. I saw it back in February if I'm not mistaken. I really love this. Look at the buttons, so cute. I will create a few looks and post them on my Instagram account, so if you're not subscribed, please feel free. And here's the style code of this jacket for you guys in case you wanna find it in a store. It's quite dark outside, it's raining really hard, and I feel like my camera is not doing the justice to how beautiful this fabric is. There are gold, pink, and see-through threads. It's a very beautiful combination. And the color is quite rich in person. And the lining is really beautiful. There is CC logo everywhere, and the chain, you can see CC logo here. Very stunning. And the buttons up close. Such a beautiful jacket. That's why I love Chanel jackets. I love all the details. You can't compare Chanel jackets with anything else available out there, and I think I would be wearing it with my beige bag and my beige sling bags from Chanel, or with my pearl bag that goes with absolutely everything. I actually tried this bag with the jacket in my vlog. I feel like pearls just look amazing with anything. Or I could wear it with my blue square mini together with the denim jeans. Or I could also wear it with my red flap. I feel like red and pink would look great together. What do you guys think? And that's how it looks on me. By the way, I forgot to mention that Chanel actually ran out of the suit bags, so my SA ordered them for me and I will pick it up next time. So yeah, loving this jacket. It's so beautiful, it's so me, it's such a timeless item, and I know that I'll be able to wear it for years. This jacket is a bit loose. I have to see if I want to alter it. Maybe I will just keep it as it is. I quite like that Chanel clothes is so comfortable to wear, and I like this style very much. By the way, I will also show you what was available from Chanel sales. So my essay sent to me some pictures of the items that were on sale. All the items were 40% off, which is great. I really like this one, and also this jacket is very beautiful. I would love to try it on in person. Luckily, the stores are opening up soon, and if these are still available, I would like to try them on. It's quite difficult to buy items without trying on because it's not like we can return them very easily. I really like these colors. They are so beautiful. What do you guys think about this one? And there was also this dress from the spring-summer collection. I'm not a big fan of it. Maybe it looks better in person. I have never tried it on. And also this jacket, which is so beautiful. I really like the colors, the green and the pink. And the buttons are so beautiful. I have to say that the Cruise 2019 was my absolutely favorite collection. I really like this jacket as well. I love the buttons, the pattern, the cutting. It's really stunning. And I remember this one in person, but I never tried it on. At least the pink jacket I tried on before, even that it was 2 sizes bigger than my size. Also, there was some shoes, not many to choose from. These ones are okay, but I would rather to get them in a different color combination. What do you guys think? Please let me know in the comment section down below. And here is the item that I actually got. I really love this dress. It's just so beautiful. Do you guys remember it from the runway? I love the fabric. By the way, here is the style code in case you wanna check it out if you have it in your store. The buttons. And I tried it on last year. I think it was back in January, and they only had it in a size 36 and it was pretty big, but I just fell in love with it. It's just so me. I know that I would be able to wear this dress even in 10 years, just as long as it fits me. The fabric looks a little bit heavy on the photos, but actually it's not very thick. And I like the length, that it's not very short either, which is usually the problem. And I will be able to wear it with my Mary Jane shoes that I picked up from the same collection. And I would totally style it with my white Chanel classic flap bag in the medium size. I really like how all of this would look together. I just wish I didn't have to alter this dress. It's still quite big. I would have to add the stud button. The sleeves are absolutely massive. I have to shorten them, make them tighter, and yeah, put the stud button. Maybe more than one actually. The buttons are so cute. I like them so much. I really like the style. It's just my absolutely favorite. And I remember that when I was recording my vlog from the private launch event that I attended, and I said that this dress is probably the only item that I love so much. I just wish it wasn't so massive. I have to alter it everywhere. By the way, guys, which item did you like the most? Did you like the jacket or the dress? Of course, the dress has to be altered, but I'm still curious to see what style do you prefer. By the way, I have previously posted a few videos about the Chanel bags. I posted unboxings, reviews, and I shared some tips. I hope that you will find these videos useful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. And please also consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!